Are you afraid that AI is going to take over your profession, leaving you in the dust, leaving you way behind? You're not alone. Many professionals in their 30s and 40s feel like they're being excluded from industries they spent years mastering. With over 25 years of experience and over 100 television commercials under my belt, I know the power of on-camera presence and authenticity. But really, here's the truth. AI can replicate information, but it can't replicate you. What sets you apart? Your presence, your energy, your ability to connect, to persuade, to inspire. The most valuable skill in today's AI-driven world isn't just knowledge. It's how you communicate, how you present that knowledge. That's where video, energy, and physical movements become your secret weapon. As an energy connection coach, I've helped professionals leverage their unique presence on camera to add value to their organizations and increase visibility and themselves. And they've become leaders, better leaders. You don't have to compete with AI. You have to know what AI can't do. And this is what they can't do. They cannot be your unique you. AI can generate content, but it can't replicate your personality, your energy. When you appear on video, whether it's a company presentation, marketing, or social media, you become a trusted advisor, a trusted leader. The way you move, the way you speak, and engage on video makes all the difference. AI generates human that's not human, and through the language and expression and the voice inflection, but doesn't build relationships, doesn't build trust. So command attention in meetings, presentations, online. How you hold yourself and move, it matters. Use open gestures to establish trust and steady eye contact to maintain authority and controlled movements for your viewers. All with this human creativity, this caring human movement and voice. Your ideas, your insights, your emotional intelligence are what drives success. You're a professional who uses AI, but you can also use this thing. This is your superpower, your uniqueness to connect to other human beings, your oneness that overrides this tool of AI. If you embrace video, like video, and you want to become more of a person that can do this, you can, in connecting with your audience, with other people on the other side of the camera. Learn how to use video to build influence and credibility in your industry. Develop energy patterns and physical movement techniques to command attention. Master on-camera presence to add value to your company or your organization. Transform fear of AI into an opportunity to position yourself as a leader. If you're ready to move differently, think differently, and to win every time, let's connect. The future isn't about who can use AI the best. It's about who can lead alongside it. Let's unlock our energy connection patterns and position ourselves for more success. Drop a line in the comment about how you feel with AI in the AI age. I'm Kerry Ruff.